episodes of the Diacon's Toil and collective work ethic.
Fans around the world gathered in public spaces and private homes on Friday to mark the start of Tokyo 2020, exactly 12 months late. The Olympic Games were delayed due to the pandemic, and as the spectre of COVID still looms large, the public have been banned from all events happening in Japan. Keen Olympics fans were still determined to witness the spectacle. Kyoko Ishigawa organised a watch party at home with her American husband and friends from around the world, popping up on different screens. And to make sure no one was left out, she decorated with flags and photographs from every country competing in the event.
The top athletes and everything, top things from over 200 countries come here, want to just come to just one city and get together and produce the highest energy and power. So that's the Olympic Games.
Meanwhile, in London, Olympic aficionados and a former Olympic athlete gathered to watch the opening ceremony of the Games outside a shopping centre. Instead of an Olympic stadium full of excited spectators and teams of athletes, there were just 1,000 VIPs and a handful of sportsmen and women representing each country. But for Anthony in London, it is this coming together of countries that is important.
Sometimes it's a bit sort of naive, but I love the idea of the world coming together for every 4 years just for this. It makes me feel quite happy, and I think that with everything that's gone on the last couple of years, it's probably needed more than ever. So I'm really looking forward to these games for that reason.
Japanese student Tokoko had hoped to return home for the event, but like so many, found herself marooned on the other side of the world, but still wanted to be part of the event.
I'm Japanese, and because of the COVID, I couldn't go back to Japan. That's why I went to see the Olympic Games on a big screen in the UK.
No doubt the athletes themselves will miss the in-person support of the fans and their families. But one thing is for sure, people around the world will be glued to their screens and cheering on their home teams.